Hello everyone, my name is Surbhi and welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you each one of you for watching my previous video, for sharing your honest feedback. I have realized that you had difficult hearing me clearly and I'm so sorry for that. But don't worry, I really appreciate your patience and support. So in this video, I'm resharing my cabin crew interview experience with Indigo Airlines, but this time with a better audio. I hope this version will help you even more. I appeared interview 3 times. I'll be sharing my all experience in this video. So stay tuned till the end. So when I went for the first time, I was very nervous, also excited on the same time. It was my first ever interview I gave in any field. I reached there by the right time, which is usually 8 a.m. and I met a girl. She looked so pretty. We were start talking. She became my friend. We both reached on the first floor where the interview was going to be conducted. But before that, we went to the washroom because my hair was looking very messy. I wanted to adjust them, and during that time, interview had started. Around 15 to 18 girls went inside for the interview. After they were done, I went inside the room and there were two lines in front of the HR. I seated in the second line. HR ma'am asked to collect the resumes. After that, she started asking questions by calling our names. So she asked first question, which was what are the advantages and disadvantages of being a cabin crew member. The girl who was sitting beside me answered very well. Honestly, I was so impressed with her answer, and the same question she asked everyone. Guys, you won't believe girls were not able to answer that simple question. Our ma'am changed the question for them. Then my turn came and I answered very well. Then she asked me next question related to customer service. I don't know what was the question because बहुत ही ज़्यादा लंबा question था and मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था honestly. But before my turn, ma'am announced that if you don't know the answer, then please ask me to switch the question. I will switch it. So मेरे पास एक एडवांटेज था तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था. आई आस्क्ड हर टू स्विच द क्वेश्चन. उन्होंने किया. देन शी आस्क्ड मी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू इंडिगो एयरलाइन. आई मेंशन्ड एवरी पॉइंट about Indigo's history, Indigo's full name, Indigo's headquarter, why people love Indigo, everything. I really impressed her. Yes. Then she started asking me questions from my resume. Of course, your girl answered very well. After all were done, she started saying ki girls, you have to work more on you like this. Then I thought ki no one got selected. But wait, I was wrong. She said, okay, I'm start calling names who got selected. Guess what? She called my name. Wow! I was so happy. And one more girl got selected. We both got selected in the first round. Then she sent us in the next room where the second round, which was virtual round, was going to be conducted. We went inside the room, the next room. There were already 4 girls were waiting who got selected in the first batch. So with this second round भी start हो चुका था. उसके बाद में one girl, so she went first. HR ma'am was there in the laptop. She start asking her questions continuously. बहुत कुछ पूछा, बहुत कुछ, मतलब all the questions were based on our situation or our personal life. Then my turn came. मतलब मेरी बारी नहीं आई थी. I chose myself to go on number 2. So मैं गई and she started asking me questions and I had very bad experience in that round. So at the last about 15 girls were remains including me. After a long time HR ma'am again called us. She announced only 2 names, only 2 girls selected for the third round and said rest of you ladies may leave for the day. I mean, how? Maybe unfair, maybe not. After faced a rejection, I came home. So 11th April ko again I went for the interview. When I reached again there, interview had already started and my token number was 19, I think. I collected all the resumes and she started asking questions by calling our names. And this time HR ma'am was different. She was asking different questions to everyone. The questions were related to hobbies, strength and weaknesses. My turn came, she asked me about my role model. Who is your role model? आई आंसर्ड यार, मैंने इतने अच्छे से आंसर दिया था. मैंने कोई अपना स्पेसिफिक रोल मॉडल को मेंशन नहीं किया था बट बहुत अच्छा आंसर था. येस, इफ़ यू गाइज वांट ऑल द क्वेश्चन सीरीज प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन बिलो. आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो ऑन दैट विद द आंसर्स. सो प्लीज़ डू कमेंट एंड लेट मी नो. And on the spot she announced names who got selected. Only one girl got selected who had experience not in aviation industry but in other field. I accepted the situation and I was going back to the home. Guess what? I saw the same girl who got selected that day. I asked her that what happened to you next. She replied me that she got selected in the third round as well, but the other girl got rejected because she had a tattoo on her neck. That's why. Fourth round, HR asked her to introduce herself. She introduced and anyone can introduce. But reality is कि simple question पूछ के भी उसे reject कर दिया in the last round. And no one got selected that day. I was literally shocked कि कोई भी select नहीं हुआ मतलब क्या. So this is the reality. You have to know. And third time I again went for the interview which on 28th of April. I don't remember the date exactly. HR was Rakhi ma'am and I was rejected again in the first round. क्वेश्चन वॉज हु इज़ योर फेवरेट टीचर. क्यों पूछा ये क्वेश्चन? मतलब मेरी कोई फेवरेट टीचर नहीं थी. इवन मुझे स्कूल जाना भी नहीं पसंद था. फिर भी आई सेड कुछ ना कुछ तो मैंने बोला. अच्छा बोला. मतलब कैंडिडेट्स हु हैड डन विद देयर फर्स्ट राउंड इंक्लूडिंग मी. देन मैम आई एंड मैम ने अनाउंस किया नेम. बहुत सारे लोग थे, बहुत सारे लोग मतलब जिन्होंने फर्स्ट राउंड कंप्लीट कर लिया था. उनमें से भी शी सेलेक्टेड ओनली 5 or 7 गर्ल्स. उनमें से मेरी एक दोस्त भी थी जो कि बनी थी वहीं पे. When I came back to home, I called her and asked her what happened next. She called me that they selected only one girl for the third round. She was like, क्या हो रहा है ये? What is happening? Well guys, I'm not here to demotivate you. If you are thinking to go for the interview, please go for it and give it your best. Not for the result, just for an experience. Please go for it. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye.